In this video, I'm going to explain how you can add money from your bank account to Revolut. So on the main page of Revolut, you will see this option to add money, and I'm going to explain how this is going to work. So after you press on add money, you will be taken to a new page that has the option for easy bank transfer. So you want to click on easy bank transfer. After that, you will be given a list of all of your local banks, and you have to select the bank that you use. So after you have selected it, it will take you to that bank's website or application, and it will ask you to authorize the payment to Revolut. So after you complete the payment method or the process, your bank will be shown as a top-up method, as you can read right here. But that is essentially what you need to know. So from the main page right here, you will need to click on add money, and after you have selected add money, click on easy bank transfer, and then you will need to authorize the payment from the app or from your bank's website. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.